In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to narrate PowerPoint slides to make your presentations more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're preparing for a classroom project, a business presentation, or just want to add a personal touch to your slides, knowing how to add your own voice can take your presentation to the next level. With just a few simple steps, you'll learn how to seamlessly integrate your audio narration into your PowerPoint presentation. Firstly, let's get started by opening up Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you have the application up and running, proceed to open the file you wish to work on from the opening screen. This is your starting point, where your creative journey begins. Now that you have your file open, your next step is to navigate to the Insert tab located at the top of your PowerPoint interface. This tab is crucial as it houses the tools needed to enrich your slides with various forms of content, from images and charts to the audio we're focusing on today. After clicking on Insert, you'll notice several options, but for our purpose, you'll want to click on Audio. The audio button is your gateway to adding sounds, music, and of course, your own narrations to the presentation. Upon clicking Audio, a drop-down menu will appear offering you a few choices. Look for the option labeled Record Audio and select it. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to record your voice directly into the presentation. Before you start recording, you'll be prompted to give your audio clip a name. Type in a descriptive name for your recording. This might seem like a small step, but it's essential for keeping your project organized, especially if you plan on including multiple audio clips. Now it's time to record. Hit the red button to start your recording. This is your moment to shine, so speak clearly and pace yourself as you narrate your slide. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always record it again until you're satisfied with the result. Once you finish recording, click OK to save the audio file to your slide. You'll see your recorded audio appear as an icon on the slide, which you can click to play back and review your narration. Next, let's make sure your audio plays exactly how you want it to during your presentation. Right-click on the audio icon you just created. A context menu will pop up with several options. Here, you'll want to select Style. This option lets you choose how your audio icon appears on the slide, but more importantly, it's your pathway to the next step. Within the Style submenu, you're looking for an option that reads Play in Background. Selecting this ensures your narration plays across the slide automatically, allowing you to focus on presenting without worrying about manually starting your audio each time. Finally, with everything set up, it's time to test out your newly narrated presentation. Press F5 on your keyboard to start the slideshow from the beginning. This will play your presentation as your audience would see and hear it, giving you a chance to experience the full effect of your narration. As you go through your presentation, pay attention to how your narration flows with your slides. Is the pacing right? Does it start and stop at the appropriate moments? This is your opportunity to tweak and adjust timings or re-record any part of the narration to get it just right. Adding your own voice to a PowerPoint presentation not only personalizes it, but also makes it far more engaging and easier to follow for your audience. Whether you're explaining a complex topic, adding commentary, or simply guiding viewers through your slide deck, narration can be a powerful tool. Remember, the key to a great narrated presentation lies not just in what you say, but in how you say it. Practice your delivery, experiment with pacing, and most importantly, be yourself. Your voice adds a unique dimension to your presentation that text and graphics alone cannot replicate. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to narrate PowerPoint presentations. With this skill in your repertoire, you're well on your way to creating memorable, impactful presentations that resonate with your audience. Thanks for joining me today and happy narrating.